Oh my gosh, I look so crazy. Okay, so in this video, I will be using, this is the Janet collection, the Havana Mumbo Faux Locs, in the length 18, and you make sure it says crochet in the corner, and they're in the color 613. So they're blonde. Got this from my local beauty supply store and it was $12, $11.99. And then I also got this Bomba Faux Locs So Goddess, and these are slight bit thicker than these, but it really doesn't matter because it kind of gives it more of that like bohemian messy look in my opinion. So this is what this is like, and I didn't like this at first, that it just was a lock and then a curl, but with these it kind of blends in and it gives it kind of like a highlight. So you see that one and then you see this one, so I like it. So we'll be using these. So I got 4 of each. In my opinion, like, it's just up to you how you like your, I didn't want it to be too big considering these are all 18 lengths, and I won't be cutting these to like layer, but I will try to cut, you know, the curly part of this part, just try to make it bigger and fluffier, and we'll just see how that works. So we're just gonna see. So I have most of my head completed, and so my braiding pattern is like 2 rows, and then these are going straight to the back, and it's 2 rows in the back, and it's like a few on the side. So when I pull up in the ponytail, it's like still look like sections. I did the first one over here, and you want to try to blend your hair in the lock, if you get what I'm saying. I'm going to show you guys. So I'm going to start with these, and not a lot come in these packs. That's why you have to get so much of them. So I'm just gonna take it out, and this is what it looks like. Very springy. Look at this. This is what it looks like if you do your whole head, which I don't like that look. So that's why I got these mixing up in there. So I'm just gonna take that off, and you only get 1, 2, 7, 8, 13, 14, 15. I only get 15. $8.99. So $9. So I'll just show you guys how I do it on this side. But you kind of want to, okay, so it's raveled like this, so I kind of make a hole, and you want to close the hook so it's not going to snag on your hair. So the hook is closed, as you can see, and I'm going to stick it right in the section, and it opens itself pretty much, and then you're just going to slide that little hole you made into the hook, and you see how it's still open, that little shiny part, that's the clamp, and you're going to close the clamp and pull that through your section and take it off. Try not to do that. Then you're going to take your hair and you're going to get that section and that hair, the piece of hair, and that little lock, and you're going to pull it through and make sure it's tight. Make sure it's tight, and then you want to unravel, like, so you want to like intertwine your hair within that situation that's going on. Your hair kind of just falls. In my opinion, these ones are the best to blend. Bigger, these are a bit too skinny for your hair to stay in. I'm finding out, but these ones work perfect. So if you can get these, but the size of these, it's gonna be perfect. So I'm gonna take this one. Okay, so these, I'm gonna start putting these in. And these come in 2 little bundle things. And then each one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So a total of 24, which isn't too bad. So if you wanted to just do these, that'd probably be a really good look. But like I said, just try to find them a little bit bigger because it'll help disguise your hair more. Okay guys, so now that the front is done, I am basically going to show you how I do the cornrow ones in the back. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right here. It says right here, boom, boom. I just had to fill in some so I could go to work like I said. But basically, I want to show you guys, this is one cornrow right here, and this is the braid. And at the end, I just put the braid inside of the faux loc. So this is a cornrow and this is the braid at the end, and I just put it at, so you can put like one right here. So that's what I'm going to do. Make sure this is closed, stick it down, this cornrow, and there, and pull. So I can actually fit another one right here. This is the finished look, you guys. This is actually the next day because I had went bowling last night, so I didn't make an outro. But thank you guys so much for watching, and this is the finished look. Very boho Barbie. Ooh, so just let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a beautiful, beautiful day. Bye.